The new extrema ratio automatic knife, really nice made, durable materials, great construction. They even put in a metal steel liner. On the back side you have a glass breaker. It's a good size, it's not too big, it's not too small. The lever you don't push, you have to slide it backwards. Then the knife opens. The liner locks the blade. On the other side you can manually lock it with a secondary lock. To close it you have to push the liner lock. I have to do this with one hand, the other hand holds the camera. I like it, it's a great knife. Nice anodizing. You get it in black color too. Even the blade you get in black color. Good size. Very useful blade shape. It's like a drop point with a secondary bevel. New extrema ratio automatic knife.